Okay, this is our last little story, I promise. We're going to listen to this story called The Mystery of the Clever Cat. And you're going to be thinking about author's purpose. So you're going to have to fill out a slide after you read this with a little more details than the past 2 slides. It's a little harder each time. So listen carefully to the story, and then we're going to fill out a graphic organizer about author's purpose, and we're going to fill it out on this story, The Mystery of the Clever Cat. So here we go. Let's be thinking. Are they trying to persuade us, inform us, or just entertain us? Let's read. "Hi, Miss Smith," said Mark as he waved to the mail carrier. "Are there any letters for me today?" "No, the letters are for your dad," she said. Miss Smith dropped some letters into the mail slot in the front door. "Your kitten is getting bigger," said Miss Smith. "Cinnamon is big enough to climb now," said Mark, "and Papa wants her to stay outside." "You stay here, Cinnamon," said Mark, "because I'm going inside to eat lunch." Papa came into the kitchen. He had a big frown on his face. "I told you not to let Cinnamon into the house," he said. "I didn't let her in the house," said Mark. "Then how did she get in?" asked Papa. "All the windows and doors are shut." "I don't know," said Mark. Cinnamon played in the kitchen. She looked very proud of herself. "How did you get in, Cinnamon?" asked Mark, as he got down on his knees to pet her. "Meow," said Cinnamon. "Would you please put her outside?" asked Papa. Mark picked up his kitten. "Cinnamon, it is lonely outside. I'll be out to play with you soon," he said. "Now be good cat, Cinnamon," said Mark. "If you don't stay outside, Papa will be very angry with both of us." Later that day, Mark was doing homework in his bedroom. "Mark," said Papa as he came into the room. He sounded angry. "Why didn't you put Cinnamon outside?" Mark looked up from his book. "I put her out in the yard," he said. He looked at Cinnamon on the bed. Mark and Papa looked at each other. "How is Cinnamon getting into the house by herself?" asked Papa. After Mark put Cinnamon outside again, he watched her from the window. Cinnamon played in the grass and chased a butterfly. Mark wondered how she could get into the house. It was a mystery. Then Mark saw Cinnamon run to the front door. She stood on her back legs with her front paws. She opened the mail slot and climbed through it. "Papa," cried Mark, "I know how Cinnamon is getting in the house." Papa came to look at the front door. "Look," said Mark, laughing. "Cinnamon thinks she's a letter." "She's a silly cat," laughed Papa. So I want you to think about that story, about the mystery of the clever cat. Think about the author's purpose for writing this story. Was he trying to entertain? Was he trying to inform? Or was he trying to persuade us? And on the next slide, you're going to have a graphic organizer. And you're going to write what you think the author's purpose was. And then you're going to pick 3 things from the text that are evidence of why you chose that. So you're going to decide if it was to persuade, entertain, or inform, and then give me 3 reasons why. So good luck.